Hey TLI students, today we're going to learn a new way to present and show your learning, and this way is called stop motion animation. The first way I did as an example is made a Lego car. Here my car looks like it's driving around, maybe I did some grocery shopping, now I'm home and I'm going to park into the garage that I made. So you can use this app to tell stories that you create. You can also do some action like this hockey one I made where he shoots and he scores. Nice shot. So stop motion animation is a fun way to show your learning, and I bet you're thinking it's pretty cool, so let's learn how. Hey TLI students, first off you're going to go into self-service, so find your self-service app. Mine is in the bottom right corner. And then, oops, I already had it up here, but you know the fastest way to get to it is to search stop motion. So I go in my search bar in the top right, I'm going to click and start typing stop. And after I just get the stop, it's already there, then I click on it, and I'm going to... Alright, TLI students, when you open up the stop motion app, this will be a screen that you see, it's your video library. So the welcome one that you see is already part of that, but the stop motion animation demo that I created right here is the one I made. So all your movies that you create will show up in your library. If you need to change the title, you just click on the title and you could change it there. You can also see at the bottom you have some playing options, some exporting options. To edit is the circle with like the pencil in it. Then of course the trash can, then our three dots to either duplicate the project or lock it. So what you'd want to do is plus the plus to create your new movie. Now I have the camera open, it's pointing at the blue table in my room, and I'm going to show you some options. You can turn the grid on and off. As you see the little white lines on the screen, it actually helps with placement. If you click the question mark in the bottom right, it shows you what all the settings are and what they do. It's just kind of best to play around with each one to see what each one does and how it changes your movie or your presentation that you're trying to make. Here I'm going to pull out some Legos just to kind of show you and snap some pictures to see the transitions that happen. So when I take a picture, I want to move my Legos over just a little bit, take another picture, and then I'll do it again. And when I click play, it automatically transitions for you. So as you see here, it looks like it's moving even though I moved it with my hand each time. That's how I did it with the car with the Legos. So you have to be strategic with how you move your objects and how you want them to look. You have to kind of visualize ahead. If you click the plus, you can add audio, which means other sounds, recordings you maybe made, or sounds that already come with the app. Again, it's just beneficial for you to kind of play around with the app first. Think about what you want to present though. Are you trying to make a story? Are you trying to make some figures look like they're doing something? You really have to think ahead first before you record what you want to make. But then just kind of play around with the app. Put your pictures in front, your words in front, your letters in front, move things around, and just start taking pictures and see how it looks. You'll learn a lot more as you go. And if you always need more help, remember just search on YouTube stop motion tutorials or stop motion examples. Have fun, TLI students.